वेलकम टू वीलन। वीलन में आपका स्वागत है। टुडेज सब्जेक्ट इज बिजनेस स्टैटिस्टिक्स, सेशन नंबर 10. टॉपिक कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन मीन, मीडियन, मोड, skewness and kurtosis. Mean. The other name of mean is average. If describing a population denoted as mu, the Greek letter mu, which is shown the parameters. If describing a sample denoted as x bar, called x bar, statistics, appropriate for describing measurement of data. Seriously affected by unusual values called outliers. And the calculating sample mean, the simple formula is used to calculating the mean is x bar equal to sigma x upon n, where sigma x is the sum of observation and n is the number of observation for individual series, and for discrete series we use the formula x bar equal to sigma fx upon sigma f, and for continuous series x bar equal to sigma fm upon sigma f, where m is the mid value which is calculated by using the formula upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This is add up all of the data points and divide by the number of data points. Data ER arrival in 1 hours like 2, 8, 3, 4, 1. So, for calculating the mean, at first we have added all the values like 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 divided by 5, which is equal to 3.6 arrivals. And now medians. Another name for 50th percentile, appropriate for describing measurement data, and robust to outliers that is not affected much by unusual values, and it can be calculated. Order data from smallest to largest. If odd number of data point, the median is the middle value. Data ER arrival in 1 hours 2, 8, 3, 4, 1. Ordered data 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the formula and the median value is 3 because it represents the value of 1 and 2 and the value 4 and 8. Another calculation for that type of condition is like n plus 1 by 2. That means n equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. That means third number of the data is the median. Same as ordered data from smallest to largest. If even number of data point, the median is the average of the two middle values. Data ER arrival in 1 hours 2, 8, 3, 4, 1, 8. Ordered it 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 8. Then calculated by median as the total number is participating into the series is 6. Therefore, 6 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. That means 3.5. That means third value plus fourth value divided by 2, yani 3 plus 4 by 2, 3.5 is a median. Like as 3 plus fourth by 2, which is equal to 3.5. And now mode, the value that occurs most frequently. One data set can have many modes. Appropriate for all types of data, but most useful for categorical data or discrete data with only a few number of possible values. Type to calculate the mode in a particular series. If an individual we use the more frequency terms, like one word repeated in more than once time or highest time is known as mode. And in discrete series, grouping method is applicable. And for the continuous series, we have used the formula L1 plus F0 minus F1 divided by 2F0 minus F1 minus F2 multiply I, where F0 highest frequency, F1 previous of highest frequency, and F2 next to highest frequency, and L1 the lower limit of highest frequencies group, and I is a class interval. तो इस तरह से तीनों सीरीज के अंदर हम मोड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. देन इन जेएमपी हार्ट अटैक डेटा, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट बाय एक्सेल. सेलेक्ट एनालाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, देन distributions, then select die walls, sample size n equal to 45, don't use in n. Then we calculate as quantiles 100% maximum 219, 99.5% 219, 97.5% 213, 90% 144.80, 75% quartile 92.50, 50% median 67.00, 25% first quartile 52.50, 10% decile 41.40, 2.5% 36.15, 0.5% 36, and 0% is the minimum value. So movements mean equal to 79.42222, standard deviation 39.95, standard error means 5.955, upper 95% mean 91.424, lower 95% mean 67.419. Quantiles, die wall 100% maximum to 329, 99.5% 329, 97.5% 326.75, 90% 227.40, 75% quartile 165.50, 50% is the median 146, 25% is the first quartile 133 Q1, 10% is first decile 115, 2.5% 94.15, 0.5% 94, and 0% 94. Here mean 158.93333, standard deviation 48.79315, standard error mean 7.2737525, upper 95% mean 173.59262, lower 95% mean 144.27405, and N 45. The most appropriate measures of location depend on the shape of the data distribution, like as normal, symmetric in first position, positive or right skewed long upper tail, and negative or left skewed long lower tails. Most appropriate measures of location depends on whether or not data are symmetric or skewed, depends on whether or not data have one unimodal or more multimodal modes. Cholesterol level of heart attack patient symmetric and unimodal approximation, like cholesterol 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, then 70 to 80, then 80 to 90, then 90 to 100. It is a histogram. Then if we putting by green line above the middle point of histogram, then it becomes the polygon. Quantiles 100%, 93, 99%, 99.5% is also 93, 97.5% 93, 90% 82.700, 75% means third quartile 70, 50% median 61, 25% first quartile 56, 10% 45.300, 2.5% 38, 0.5% 38, 0% minimum 38. Movements mean 62.25, standard deviation 12.843977, standard error mean 2.2705158, upper 95% mean 66.880747, lower 95% mean 57.619253, and 32, some weight 32, some 1992, variance 164.9674774, skewness 0.4811393, kurtosis 0.6034505, covariance 20.632895, and number of missing 13. Slight right skewness. The mean and the median are approximately the same as this distribution is nearly symmetric. Heights of college students symmetric and bimodal. Females like green, then males like red, 56, 66 and 76. The height in inches, and variables, males number of males is 84, mean 70.048, median 70 and standard deviation 3.030. Females number 89, mean 64.798, median 65, standard deviation 2.877, and all total 176, mean total 67.313, median 67, and standard deviation 4.017. Variable standard error of mean males 0.331, minimum 63, maximum 76, first quartile 68, third quartile 72.0. Females 0.305, standard error, minimum 56, maximum 77, first quartile 63, third quartile 67, all standard error 0.303, minimum 56, maximum 77, first quartile 64, third quartile 70. Height of college students symmetric and bimodal, 56, 66, 76. Mean height for female, this one, and overall mean about 67, and mean height for female indicated by colors. Now, systolic volume for heart attack patient, skewed rights, given in previous slide. So, simple mean 79.42 is substantially larger than the sample median 67. Median is better measures of average. Skewness statistics is greater than 1, suggesting pronounced right skewness. See measures of shape given here. Simple mean of this problem is 112.4 is substantially smaller than the sample median 138.00. Median is better measures of average. Skewness statistics is less than -1, suggesting pronounced left skewness. See measures of the shape and also see the calculation like 100% maximum quantiles 143, 99.5% 143, 97.5% 143, 90% 143, 75% value of third quartile 140.50, 50% that means median 138, 25% quartile 88, 10% 20.20, 2.5% 3.30, 0.5% 3 and 0% 3. Movements mean 112.3, 5556, standard deviation 46.07, 2648. Upper 95% mean 126.19731, lower 95% mean 98.5138 and 45, sum of weight 45, sum 5056, variance 2122.6889 and skewness -1.402266, kurtosis 0.42600098 and covariance 41.006115 and number of missing 0. Choosing appropriate measures of location. If data are symmetric, the mean, median and mode will be approximately the same. If data are multimodal, report the mean, median and or mode for each subgroup. If data are skewed, report the median. Measures of variability. Under this measures, there are 4 values is determined like range, that means highest minus lowest, if the numbers, and quartile range Q3 minus Q1. Interquartile range Q3 minus Q1 by 2, variance and standard deviation sigma fx squared divided by sigma x is a standard deviation and variance is a square of standard deviation. Then coefficient of variation means standard deviation divided by mean, if calculated by mean, multiply by 100. Range, the difference between largest and smallest data point, highly affected by outliers, best for symmetric data with no outliers. Like this one, quantile 100% maximum 93, 99.5% 93, 97.5% 93, 90% 82.700, 75% यानी थर्ड क्वार्टाइल 70, 50% मीडियन 61, 25% क्वार्टाइल फर्स्ट 56, 10% 45.300, 2.5% 38, 0.5% 38, 0.0% minimum 38, movements mean 62.25, standard deviation 12.843977, standard error mean 2.2705158, upper 95% mean 66.880747, lower 95% mean 57.619253 and 32, sum weight 32, sum 1992, variance 164.96774, skewness 0.48119393, kurtosis 0.6034505, covariance 20.632895 and number of missing 13. So maximum value is 93 and minimum value is 38. So range is calculated as maximum minus minimum, which is equal to 93 minus 38 equal to 55. Interquartile range, the difference between the third quartile यानी 75% value and first quartile 25th% value, so the middle half of the values. IQR Q3 minus Q1, robust to outliers or extreme observation. Work well for skewed data like this one, Q3 and Q1. Q3 is 75% value 92.50 and Q1 25% value 52.50. So Q3 IQR 92.50 minus 52.50, which is equal to 40. The range of the middle 50% of systolic volume is 40 mmOs. And now variance. If measuring variance of population denoted by sigma square, if measuring variance of sample denoted by S square. Measures average squared deviation of data points from their mean. Highly affected by outliers, best for symmetric data. Problem is unit are squared. And now formula for sample variance, S square equal to x minus x bar ka whole square divided by n minus 1. This is nearly, if not for the n minus 1 in the denominators, the average square deviation from the sample mean for our observed data. Standard deviation. Sample standard deviation is the square root of sample variance and so is denoted by S. Units are the original unit, measures average deviation of data point from their mean, also highly affected by outliers. Case study, compare this one. What difference in distribution of time to fall asleep do we see when comparing the smokers to non-smokers in this study? Typical time to fall asleep is 20 to 21 minutes for both populations. IQR for smokers is twice that for non-smokers. Distributions for non-smokers is approximately normal, not so for smokers. Sleep study comparing time to fall asleep of smokers versus non-smokers. Non-smoker minimum 15.1%, 10% 17.26, 25% 18.875, median 20.15, third quartile 21.875, 90% 23.51 and maximum 25%. Smokers minimum 15%, 10% के लिए 15.42, फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल के लिए 17.1, मीडियन 21.25, थर्ड क्वार्टाइल 24.15, 90% 25.17 and maximum 25.8. Mean and standard deviation. Level non-smoker number 42, mean 20.3048, standard deviation 2.28227, standard error mean 0.35216, lower 95% 19.594, upper 95% 21.016. Smoker 42, mean 20.6690, standard deviation 3.68858, standard error mean 0.56916, lower 95% 19520, upper 95% 21.818. Smokers standard S equal to 3.69 minutes and non-smokers as 2.28 minutes. So smokers is greater than non-smokers, then IQR or variance of smokers 7.05 minutes, which is greater than non-smokers 3 minutes. Imperial rules, the standard deviation and the normal distribution. For unimodal moderately symmetrical sets of data approximately, 68% of observation lies with one standard deviation of the mean. 95% of observations lies within two standard deviations of the mean. Normally distributed data. Empirical rules like this one. In middle x bar and in left hand x bar minus s and right hand x bar plus s, and 95% within 2 standard deviation x bar minus 2s and in positively x bar plus 2x, and the value are same. Then 99.7% of data are within 3 standard deviation with mean. In negative values x bar minus 3s for the value of 0.1%, and in positive mean x bar plus 3s 0.1%, and second last positive value x bar plus 2s 2.54%, and third x bar plus s 13.5%. Here x bar minus s 13.5%, x bar minus 2s 2.4%, and x bar minus 3s 0.1%, and 68% within 1 standard deviation, 34% and 34%. Application of empirical rules. Medical lab test. When you have blood drawn and it is screened for different chemical levels, any results 2 standard deviations below or 2 standard deviation above the mean for healthy individuals will get flagged as being abnormal. Example, for potassium, healthy individuals have a mean level 4.4 with a standard deviation of 0.45. Then individual with level outside the range, 4.4 minus 2 multiply 0.45 plus 4.4 plus 2 multiply 0.45, which is equal to 3.5 plus 5.3, would be flagged as having abnormal potassium. So x bar plus minus 2s, and now CV, coefficient of variations. Ratio of sample standard deviation to sample mean multiplied by 100. So CV equal to s upon x bar multiply 100. Measures relative variability, that is variability relative to the magnitude of the data. Unitless, so good for comparing variations between two groups and for comparing variability of measurement in completely different scales and or units. So S by S volume CV equal to 39.95 divided by 79.42, which is equal to 50.3%. Divols CV 48.79 divided by 158.93, which is equal to 30.7%. Thus, systolic volume has the greater variation in our sample on the CV basis of covariance. The most appropriate measures of variability depend on the shape of the data distribution. Choosing appropriate measure variability. If data are symmetric with no serious outliers, use range and standard deviation. If data are skewed and or have serious outliers, use IQR. If comparing variation across two variables, use coefficient of variation if the variables are in different units and or scales. If the scales and units are roughly the same, direct comparison of the standard deviation is fine. Measures of shape, skewness and kurtosis. Statistical software packages will give some measures of skewness and kurtosis for a given numerical variables. Skewness measures departure from symmetry and is usually characterized as being left or right skewed as seen previously. Kurtosis measures peakedness of a distribution and comes in two forms, platykurtosis and leptokurtosis. And now skewness, Pearson's skewness coefficient. If skewness less than -20, Siebert's left skewedness. If skewness greater than +20, Siebert's right skewness. Fisher's measures of skewness has a complicated formula, but most software packages compute it. Fisher's skewness greater than 1, moderate right skewness, and Fisher skewness greater than 2, severe right skewness, and Fisher skewness less than -1, then moderate left skewness, and less than 2, severe right skewness. So skewness equal to mean minus median upon standard deviation. It is given by Pearson's or Karl-Pearson coefficient of skewness. And these are the value calculated for skewness. Skewness equal to -0.5786, suggesting slight left skewness. Skewness equal to 1.944, suggesting strong right skewness. And now kurtosis. Normal distribution has kurtosis 0. Leptokurtosis distributions are more peaked than normal with fatter tails, kurtosis greater than 0. Platykurtosis distributions are less peaked, squeezed normal than normal, kurtosis less than 0. Major peakedness for distribution. And now kurtosis example. Blood pH level for subject in right heart. Cater the study. Here we see slightly left skewed -1.22, but markedly leptokurtosis 3.49 distribution. The reference is normal curve has been added, and blue curve is the density estimate from the data, like this one. And in right place there are various calculations of the quantities. Same as example number 2. Time to fall asleep for non-smokers are approximately normal, as both skewness and kurtosis are close to 0. Times to fall asleep for smokers are fairly platykurtosis, kurtosis equal to -1.50. So transformation to improve normality, removing skewness. Many statistical methods require that the numerical variables you are working with have an approximately normal distribution. Reality is that this is oftentimes not the case. One of the most common departures from normality is skewness, in particular right skewness. And now do it yourself. What is the coefficient of variance and how it is calculated? And question number 2, what is empirical rules? And that's it from session number 10. Thank you.